Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and this is the second episode regarding the basics of Git and GitHub. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out my new tutorials. So today, I will tell you what repositories are and how to initialize them. Repository is like a container or folder for a project that is tracked by Git. Anytime you want to use Git in a project, you need to initialize repository. Now, let's get started by creating an empty folder. You can give it any name, but for now, let me create Git lessons. You can then open that folder, right click and click on Git bash here. The command to initialize the project is git init. And now it says initialize empty Git repository. It means our folder has been initialized. If you use ls to view files and folders, it shows nothing. But if you use ls-a, which shows all hidden files and folder, it will show hidden Git folder over here. We don't need to do anything and worry about it. This is created by Git and it stores all information about your repository. The next command we will learn today is git status. This is something you can do all the time, which will help you to tell the status of your repository. So at the moment, there is no commit yet, and it tells us to create our copy of file so that it can track it. We will create new files and commit them in the next session. For now, I will conclude this session over here. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.